Hello everybody, I Jyoti Vashist from Suraj School, Rewadi. Students, our today's topic is nomenclature of alkane. Alkanes are the simple hydrocarbons. The general formula of alkane CnH2n plus 2, where n is the number of carbon. Students, for the naming of hydrocarbons, we should know the word root used for different numbers of carbons. For n equals to 1, for the 1 carbon, the word root is meth. For 2, eth. 3, prop. 4, bute. 5, pent. 6, hex. 7, hept. 8, oct. 9, nun. And 10, dec. These word roots are used according to the number of carbons in the naming of hydrocarbon. So for the alkane, the general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Let us take some examples. Suppose we are taking here n equals to 3. So the formula comes CnC3 H2n 2 into 3 plus 2. So our formula becomes C3H8. It is the formula. For the 3 carbon, the word root is prop. And it is the alkane. So suffix comes ane. So name becomes prop plus ane. So our name becomes propane. So the name of this compound is propane. It is the molecular formula of propane. If we open up this structure with all the bonds, then C3, 3 carbons with single bond. H8, 8 hydrogens. So distribute all the 8 hydrogens according to the requirement, so that each and every carbon can fulfill its valencies. It is the structural formula of propane. Students, both are same, but the representation is different. It is the molecular formula, condensed formula, and it is the structural formula in which each and every bond is can be shown easily. Students, for the 3 carbon, we can make the cyclic structure also. 1, 2, 3. For the 3 carbon, cyclic structure can also be made with a single bond between each and every carbon. Now fulfill the valencies of each carbon. This carbon completed its 2 bond with carbon required 2. So it requires 2 hydrogen. This also requires 2 hydrogen, and this also requires 2 hydrogen. Its name becomes cyclopropane because it is a cyclic structure. So cyclo comes first. Cyclo. For the 3 carbon, prop. And single bond between each and every carbon. So ane comes. So its name becomes cyclopropane. Here we can see that for the cyclopropane, the formula is C3H6. It is different from this formula. That means for the cycloalkanes, the general formula is CnH2n. Due to the cyclic structure, hydrogen becomes lesser than the non-cyclic alkane. So for the cycloalkanes, the general formula becomes CnH2n for each and every cycloalkane. Let us take another example also. Suppose for 4 carbon, n equals to 4. So its formula becomes C4H10 with the help of this formula. It is for 4 carbon, word root comes bute. And it is the alkane, so suffix comes ane. So bute plus ane, its name becomes butane. It is the molecular formula of butane. Structural formula 1, 2, 3, 4. 10 hydrogens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is the structural formula of butane. It is the molecular formula of butane. Again, with these 4 carbons, a cyclic structure can also be exist. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be shown like this. Now fulfill the valencies of each and every carbon. This carbon completed its 2 already, required 2. So 2 hydrogen. Also 2. 1, 2 required 2. 1, 2 already required 2. So its formula becomes C4H8. It is not similar to the butane. It is similar to the butene because for the cycloalkane the general formula is CnH2n, where the number of hydrogen is just double than the number of carbons. So its name becomes cyclo for the 4 carbon bute and single bond ane. Its name becomes cyclobutane. Like this way we can name all the alkanes with the help of these word roots. Thank you and have a nice day.